What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul, and this right here is the Dbrand Prism screen protector for the Nintendo Switch 2. Now I do have a lot of plans for the Switch 2, including accessories, etc. Now I have been enjoying this. I've been using it on a Monday and a Tuesday night when I stay out for work, and this is what I bring with me. So it sits in a case and I just play the games, but I do feel like it does need a screen protector, especially if I leave it on charge, as I had an incident a long time ago with a PSP, and I left it in a hotel room and it got damaged. So I figured this does need a screen protector. What I've gone and done is, when I was over in America in Best Buy, I seen this. You get two screen protectors, the idiot-proof screen protector. If you turn it over, it says Prism, made in Canada, from Dbrand Inc. in Toronto. And then you'd have this pull tab right here, and you'd have a Velcro piece on the front, and then when you open it, so you get easy installation. It couldn't be any easier. Scratch proof. Prism is made with premium tempered glass, clocking in at 7 on the mineral hardness scale. Unless your pocket's full of diamonds, you'll never see a micro scratch again. Ultra precise, zero dust, no fingerprints, includes 2. And that's how easy it is, and you literally get a pull tab here. So if we go ahead and pull that open, that says Prism 2.0 Nintendo Switch 2 on the bottom. Another pull tab right here. And there we go. So now it should just slide right out of the sleeve. Big eye in the middle. It says read this before opening. So let's take a look. So if you want to pause that and you want to read it, feel free to go ahead. Like virtually all other modern tech hardware, the Switch 2 display is not covered in glass. Instead, it's covered in a pre-installed, non-removable anti-shatter film that is made of soft plastic. Unfortunately, this soft plastic makes your Switch 2 extremely susceptible to scratches. You may see headlines like receipts stapled to the boxes. We've seen that when it came out. Strongly follow these steps, ensure you're in a dust-free environment before opening your Prism box. Scan the QR code inside this box to watch the video tutorial. Clean your screen gently but thoroughly with the included cleaning kit. Do not press down on the installation tray during application. Instead, gently hold it along the borders. When removing the pull tab, pressure can compress hidden debris against the screen and cause scratches. Once the Prism is installed, your Switch 2 screen will be fully protected and ready for stapled receipts, console docking, and generally reckless behaviour. Good luck. Signed, a robot. Dbrand in the middle, Prism 2.0 on the box. Let's go ahead and open this up. And then I can read instructions. Turn off your Switch 2 and detach the Joy-Cons. Unbox the cleaning kit, unwrap the included microfiber cloth. Open one alcohol wipe and use it to clean the screen. Wipe it dry with the microfiber. That's how I do my screen protectors. That's exactly how I do my phone screen protector. Even though it tells you not to do that part, that's how I do my screen protectors. Your screen should now be spotless. Attach the installer tray to the Switch 2. The orientation does not matter. Gently hold the tray with one hand. Remove the pull tab with the other. Then immediately swipe along the dotted line. Wait 5 seconds. Remove the tray by peeling it from either side. You will likely notice bubbles. Don't panic. Use the included squeeze. Sweep them out. For bubble removal tips, visit the Dbrand website. I can't read instructions. There's a little QR code there. If you can read, look to your left. If you can't read, look to your right. Clever. Very, very clever. So there's one screen protector right there. There is the cleaning kit. Another screen protector underneath. I'm assuming that there's more stuff. There's more inside the cleaning kit. So it's nicely packaged. It's amazingly packaged. Let's see what's in the cleaning kit. So there is your squeegee, microfiber with Dbrand on it, alcohol wipes. There's 4 of those, so not bad. Hopefully we only need 1. So let's go ahead and do that. Include squeegee, alcohol wipe, and microfiber cloth. No dust removal stickers though, just in case, you never know. Bring in the Switch 2 and attach those Joy-Cons, 1 and 2. So I've been playing a lot of Mario Kart Worlds. There is the alcohol wipe. It does smell strong, to be honest, but nice, it's what you want. And give it a good clean. Obviously I've been using mine daily since I got it. But there we go, so get that nice and clean. All the dust, debris, fingerprints off it, smudges. That is super wet for one wet wipe. Super wet. I like that a lot. Okay, so there we go. Place that to one side. Now you get your microfiber cloth, which has Dbrand on it, and boom. So there we go, Dbrand cloth. Place it over like so, and give it a good clean over. Get all that wetness and stuff off it. By the looks of it, the microfiber is causing a few issues here, I think, because of how dirty the screen was. So next up, you're going to take this, place it over the top like so. Said it doesn't matter which way you go, and then you're literally going to pull the tab. And then it says swipe down the centre. Let's do that. And then here's your squeegee, has the eye in the middle. Nice microfiber line on the side, so we'll use that in a sec, I assume. But let's just give that a second to do its thing. Give one more swipe maybe. See a bubble right there, but that might be in the film when you pick it up and remove it off. But we'll see in a second. Here we go for it. Let me see how we get on. Okay, so let's go ahead and lift. There we go. As you can see, that sticky film still on that side, but we do have some bubbles, unfortunately, by the looks of it. But it said not to panic, just get your squeegee and squeegee them out. Okay, so then it's just this big one in the middle. Roll it out. And there we go. Let's get the Dbrand microfiber and give it a good look, give it a good clean over. Couple of little marks on it, however I'm assuming that is because of the screen protector underneath, how dirty it was, and I didn't notice that it had a little bit of like a little chip just in the top corner up here. But now it's fully protected with the Dbrand screen protector. And there you go, so let's turn it back on and let's see. Yeah, no issues there. Works perfectly, absolutely fine. No issues, no touch sensitivity issues. Yeah, exactly what you'd want it to do. And then of course you get your Joy-Cons, attach them back in, and you are now fully protected. Obviously if you grab yourself a case, I've been using this one, as you can tell from all the dents on it. This is the official Nintendo case. We did do a short on this. I'll leave linked in the description if you want to check that out. However, if we take our fancy Nintendo knife, as you can see right here, especially for this occasion, see? Not a single scratch. Not a single scratch. Not a single scratch. Absolutely flawless, apart from that dot up there, which again is down to me, not down to the screen protector. Is this the best screen protector you can buy right now for your Nintendo Switch 2? Let me know if you use the Prism on yours. Let me know if you use the Dbrand for anything, like skins, screen protectors, new cases they've got for phones. Let me know in the comment section down below. I was actually going to pick up some phone cases when I was over in Best Buy, but unfortunately, by the time I'd went out, the phone had only just come out, and Dbrand had only just said they were moving into Best Buy. They never had any cases, unfortunately, but we'll see what we can sort out for the next couple of videos. But that is absolutely flawless, absolutely perfect. I'm going to leave a link in the description to where you can pick yours up. Let me know what you think, and let me know if there's anything you want to see coming up for the Nintendo Switch 2, and I will try and make it happen. I'll try and bring you some accessories videos, so let me know in the comment section down below what you want to see. But Huge thank you to Best Buy for having this in store. Thank you to Dbrand for placing them in stores for people to pick up. So much easier than us waiting around for them for the deliveries, especially being in the UK. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn the notifications on. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.